leg. You open something. You start to second. Say that song, you know if it's that dance. You know if you do that second dance with some kind of shoe.
No.
You cannot do and your soul will come out. Where's my soul? Where's my soul? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of Nakom, the late night show. Nonsense. You don't teach me rubbish. And the whistle still as usual. Now the DJ with the most coily hair. They use NG oil, they take and arrange their hair, use Ororo and everything. DJ is a beast on the wheels of steel. You know what to do. Yeah. This one when you wear Ghana must go shirt like this.
It go shock you. As I reach where they dress or something, I'm going to find me something to wear. So now what's they give me now? Yeah, so
they give you, so now if you bled now.
Yeah, so but
you and this throw pillow now, you resemble. We try our first, try out. Just hold our face. See blending. Chameleon. Just blend anyhow.
It go shock you. Imagine you go for interview.
Hey.
You go sit down on that chair. You can't blend like this.
You don't get the job.
That's a nice outfit.
Nice outfit. Use our material, take arrange yourself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you to come to the late night show like I just talked. And my name, as usual, Michael, but they call me Ogbolo, you know. Thank you. I know they do this nonsense where they do. You don't think about this nonsense. All right. Today on top of the show, we'll get some very making sense guests in the building. All right, now, this particular first one we'll first get, I know we call them in order of appearance, but Justina Day in the building, one of our correct international babes. We do things not just inside Nigeria, but across the whole surface of the earth and everything on the musical P. Very, very making sense musician and she go follow us day inside the building. Justina, good day here. All right, at the same time, one of my very, very crazy friends, one of my craziest comedic friends. This guy can worry for stage. Now, one of the people who want to say anytime he climbs stage, you say among us comedians, we get comedian.
Yeah, that's so.
Some the way other comedians would like to watch you they perform. This particular guy I get today, now one of those kind of guys, they arrange many things on top stage onto comedy P. Instead they do music too. They produce some kind of things. Now hustler, correct hustler. All right, Bash. Go there with me inside the studio. Bash. We should expect to be below. Somewhere along the line, if you come inside and jump inside the whole thing, we shall continue with it on the show. All right, so we're not going anywhere. This show just start now. Yeah. So welcome back to the late night show, baby, yeah. Easy the fear.
You not go blow.
I not go blow you the craze. Your real craziness. I mean when they sing fire, I know they try me. You sing something. When I say welcome back to the late night show music.
If we come back, I would.
No, they come back anything now. Welcome back to the late night show. No, that would be okay. Even me that now no go blow.
You feel like
even if they put bomb for the body.
You don't go blow.
You don't go blow anything. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the time for the Koko.
Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko. Make a tell them the Koko. When you see how we lie, just use the magic. Go say
You can like nonsense
I'm telling
at
you,
your old age.
I'm telling you.
But some people don't refer for their house now. Say, come.
Which
So
really
they know their
happen.
TV, they know they slow. They don't like
I
TV.
say-
Poo. Mama Kechi, new one. All right, my first just for hard now. All the men supposed to shout, praise the Lord.
Yeah!
Because if they replaced our things now. All the way inside South Africa,
No,
this will happen.
which of the things?
Make I calm down. I want to start to bridge in the gist
Okay,
into the small things.
okay.
Now, this particular guy, they say he lose a machine box.
Yay!
He lose the blockers.
The
The two.
The Senate. Oh, both of them.
No, the Senate House. You say once anything affect the Senate House,
okay,
it can affect the lower. You understand? So it affect some. There was an affection somewhere.
Okay.
So they call gas commota. Commodity. So, but they can't get one guy, we can donate in own.
Okay.
They declare the guy brain dead. You understand?
Okay.
I say if they brain dead.
That is the donor.
The donor don't already they brain dead. I mean say don't even go finish. You understand? So the family can say, okay, since our own person don't go, make we donate in thing for you.
Make you do okay.
Make you do okay. Now they can't carry the guy, carry him. All the doctors they assemble. They carry the guy, can't give him the other donor own. They replace him. Boom. As they replace the thing finish, they say now the first time where this kind of thing they happen, what they they carry person on, they put for another person. And now the guy, they say the guy be fire.
Well.
Steady.
Well.
Then the only thing with your difference more be say complexion just different.
The color just different.
The color just different. But my brother, if the color like make it different. If I like make I be black, make they give me a bino own as fast as they walk. The guy now they say the guy the fire in partnership says I'm not complaining. I'm enjoying everything.
That's it.
I'm very, very. We'll say thank you to the doctors.
That's
the way
it.
the human thing like doctors now. Say for this thing. But all the doctors are talking about new innovation for the whole world. Yeah, they say that but the only problem where they encounter now be say they know they to see donors. They don't get people what they call donate.
One donate that guy. Even kill no good at least once a day. If you give her the other one, this one who want to donate?
But who want? The person just spy now. If you say okay before as he spy, but that one feel they still they work somehow.
No,
just go collect her. Just say yeah, maybe we replace her. You can't wake up from your this. You just say they don't give you organic way. You look say it's a hey.
Watch it.
They ask the wife now. They say, Madam, this thing doesn't look like the former. He say, I'm not complaining. We thank God. Now when you wake up, they give the person they give you own. You know you're rich anywhere.
Okay, what if they go give you black man own and you be white man?
The white man, my brother, accept it. Because they say when you go black, you never go back. You never heard that statement before?
I don't hear that.
Oh, I know one guy named one. No, if I call another, they're gonna say this guy. Oh, it's very, very. You understand me now? But a very, very good thing, shall men with their opinion say, yeah, just in case accidents happen and you all lost them.
Yeah.
They still replace them. But getting the donor can't be the issue. You understand? So, well, for that particular one, we say correct things to our doctors them. All right, so Koko number 2.
I'm in love with the Koko.
All right, easy bit. Take it away.
Okay, now, this very matter when I get on my desk here, it shall sweet me small based on, as Nigeria matter on the be.
Yeah.
They don't talk and say federal government don't reduce electricity tariff. And the thing just can't go down to like 50%. Just like saying that from the middle.
Yes.
They just slash them.
Yes.
Say because the Nigerians they don't complain. You don't know how long. I even know say when they grow they come, they could just give you bill the way they like.
Just anyhow.
Anyhow now you could just see this month, you could just see this one boy. Because what thing we use? So now federal government they don't talk and say they don't slash out to like half. And the person we come there on top of this matter now Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission will be Oga Sam Amadi. Now he give us this ogbonge gist and this thing this very matter so he talk yesterday for Abuja. Okay. So when me here and personally I'm happy. I know now I'm happy. Yeah. But even though say the lights not a 2-day shower. But based on say they don't still cut the money, you go know say you they pay for waiting you know as they go ahead. So how you see the matter? 50%. Some small thing.
Any which way, every time now they hear new things for this country. We go hear one, they go do another one. Maybe they see whether I go see come into effectiveness.
Hey, they say this thing as from the ending of March. No, be shaping March today.
So make we just wait.
From April 1st, gone. The thing don't kick off.
Even prepaid this thing what we do before just now. It not still work.
Prepaid?
The one with people they prepay meter.
Me don't like prepaid though.
Different people, but some people like them.
No.
Some people see the way they buy their own, they put on like the charge card. Use what say you they buy.
This very one so now the Koko.
Okay.
50% where they take slash them. It makes sense. And funny enough, this one 50 affects the prepaid. So you come like say you just use like 1K, just buy, use them for 1 month. Based on so.
Any which way. But on top of the whole level like this, make we just see. End of March, Abi.
End of March, yes.
See. Maybe they don't go give us new action film now. Say one thing. Actually, it was 50%, but now we're taking to 70%. Anything this country will do seasonal movie. Forget it. Every week, new thing they happen. All right, on this level, we'll come on mouth on top the Koko, and then we enter into bringing our first guest into the building. All right.